It's like 6 a.m. We're about to go on the river. It's 40 degrees out. It's cold as fuck. Because we're in the mountains. And 40 degrees feels a little colder than it should. But we're fucking doing it, man, so let's go ahead and get dressed.
And my wetsuit is still wet.
It's looking cold as fuck today. And I don't like being cold, especially when you're getting wet, so got the wetsuit on, got some layers under it. About to put some layers over it. But yeah, today is May 26th, 2025. We are out at RiiVErrr. Getting out on the RiiVErrr, if you know what I'm saying. Our hair is looking pretty crazy. We're gonna let it freeform dreadlock. See how it goes by the end of the summer. But yeah. Hopefully I'm gonna get some more footage today and kind of take you along for the journey and the ride of what this job looks like. Right now we're in training, so it's a little different than probably the day-to-day, but it's still really fun and we still get out on the river. So I'm gonna do my best, capture what I can, and yeah, I'll see you later.
I got angels running away, I got demons hunting me. I know Pop with 25, I know Jesus 33. I tell death to keep a distance, I think he obsessed with me.
Oh yeah, man. First duckies out on the river. Where's Michael at? Look at that boy Michael. I'm about to get it going, man.
Don't for kids that don't fit the description of a utopia. Like a problem won't exist if I just don't exist. If I grew up without a single pot to piss, and pardon me for venting, Congress got the nerve to call itself religious. Rich just getting richer, we just trying to live our life. Mama mixed the vodka with the Sprite. They killed my cousin with their pocket knife from my uncle on the phone.
Ah, yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. In the gorge.
She said, Pappy, baby, I'm okay,
Fuck yeah, man.
Fucking vibing, man. Out on the New River Gorge in West Virginia, man. Whitewater rafting. This shit is fucking fun as hell.